Hi friends, I'm Marty. Welcome to my tiny Herbie kitchen. This is the final cookie in my shortbread series. Today I'm making chai pink peppercorn shortbread mixed by hand and gently spiced. Chai gives these cookies a warm, creamy depth from the Assam base. Pink peppercorns add a soft floral note that lingers quietly in the background. I'll be grinding the chai very fine so it blends smoothly into the butter. The pink peppercorns and these will be crushed just enough to release their oils, not powdered. I add the aromatics directly to the butter so that the flavors can bloom in the fat. Granulated sugar keeps the texture classic and clean. Just a touch of vanilla paste to round everything out. I'm going to switch to my spatula. It's going to be much easier for creaming my butter. There we go. That's what we're looking for, a nice creamy consistency. Then the flour and the salt. Look how quickly this came together in no time at all, and we did it all by hand. So once your dough can be picked up and pressed, if it holds, it's ready to be wrapped. Rolling it while it's under cling wrap is going to help you form the shape better. It's going to hold better when you score it. And there you have it. Now it goes into the fridge for at least an hour. And now for the icing. Very finely ground chai for the icing. A pinch of salt. A bit of vanilla. Helps to bring out all those nice warm spices from the chai. And a tablespoon of that freshly squeezed orange juice. And now we'll give it a mix. At some point you're going to want to switch to your spatula. Actually, I'm going to need 2 tablespoons of the orange juice. Now we're going to cover this and let it rest until the cookies are ready to be iced. Out of the fridge, let's unwrap it. Now I'm giving them a little score. It's good because I can't go all the way through, but I have to be careful too. And now we score it this way. These will now go into a 350 oven for 22 minutes. And now now we let them rest for 5 minutes before we cut into them. A clean knife between each cut really keeps it even. We just go straight down, no back and forth. We'll let them cool completely before icing. A little of that pink magic dust, which is the peppercorns, of course. I'm just putting them through a sieve and lightly crushing them just to get the pink outer shells. That's all I want. And now we're going to let these set and plate them very nicely.